Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to film a video that I hadn't even realized that I hadn't filmed, and basically it's kind of like a review of the Dr. Bronner's 18-in-1 Peppermint Castile soap. But the reason, I guess because I talked about it so much over the years on my channel, I just assumed that I had done like a full review on it. And when I was going back and looking to see if I did, I was like, dang, I guess I didn't. And what prompted this review was there's this video that kind of went viral of Hazel Goddess. She was using it and people were like so intrigued by like, what is this 18-in-1? Like, what is this body soap slash dog shampoo slash laundry detergent slash detergent slash car wash soap slash fixes your taxes slash pay back your debt to Sally Mae, all of that. People want to know what is this and how does it react on natural hair. So I was like, I guess the interwebs are interested in this, so let me just go ahead, you know, throw my little hat in the ring. And if the interwebs are interested, maybe the interwebs that are my followers and subscribers perhaps are interested as well. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. Alrighty, so obviously today, like I said, we're reviewing the 18-in-1 Hemp Peppermint Pure Castile soap from Dr. Bronners, and this isn't the only soap they have. They have a plethora of soap. They also have toothpaste. They have bar soap. I tend to gravitate more towards this, the peppermint one in particular, but they have a whole periodical amount of soaps. No, it's like really like 6 different ones, maybe 7, but they have like lavender, they have one that's unscented, they have one that is like almond, I think. I forget what the red one is that rose? Something like that. But anywho's, yeah, this is my favorite one because this is the only one that I know of that has like a tingly sensation. But let's just go ahead and get into it. So like I said, this is the 18-in-1 soap. I have been using this for years now. I originally got put on this product by Sunkissed Alba. She used it and I was like, how does this work on natural hair? Like, I'm just curious, because she talks about using it on natural hair and as a body wash. And like I said, if you aren't new to my channel, then you already know the deal with this. You know the rundown, you know how much I talk about this, you know how I keep this on deck in the household, you know. But in case you are new to my channel, I use this to give Dash a bath. That's my dog. You can only see half of him. He's breathing very loudly. I apologize. I've used it to give him a bath. I ran out of laundry detergent one time. I used it for that. Actually, more than one time. It's been like 4 or 5 times, but my poor planning and buying laundry detergent, that's neither here nor there. I've used it to wash dishes. I've used it to mop the floor. I constantly use it as a body wash. I constantly use it as a clarifying shampoo. There's literally like, I pretty much use it for all of its uses. So I just wanted to let you guys know what to expect when you use it, so you know you aren't a little shook. All right. So first thing I want to mention is when I shampoo my hair, this is heavily concentrated. So like, you want to dilute. It even says this on the container. It's like dilute some more. When you think you've diluted enough, go ahead and, sir, little goofy behind. God, you're so adorable. Yeah, dilute, I do. Dilute. So yeah, you want to use a small amount. I mean, like, a teaspoon is enough to like wash your entire head unless it's super dirty, but you're gonna, you know, obviously wash it more than once, kind of lather, rinse, repeat. And first thing I want to say is, actually it's not the first thing, I just told you how you want to dilute it. Girl, I can't deal with myself sometimes. I just literally have arguments with myself aloud, like not internal arguments. This is me arguing with myself aloud, not even in front of a mirror. I'm so over me. But I will point out to you guys that when you're using it, it's not going to give you the traditional super big lather, but it's definitely going to suds up and give you a lather. But this isn't like an herbal essence, creamy, super thick, silky lather. This is just like a nice, it's more sudsy than lather, if that makes sense. So you know how dishwasher, or I shouldn't say dishwasher soap, but liquid dish detergent, how that more suds up than lathers? That's the vibe with this, because it is a soap. And one of my favorite things about this is, oddly enough, I've noticed that none of my other traditional shampoos do this. When this is still in my hair, like when I'm actually lathering, you know, and getting it all sudsy, this has amazing slip. And I've mentioned this before and other people are like, you're right, it actually does. It's so bizarre how good the slip is with this. Now, once you rinse this out your hair, your hair is gonna be so tragic and dry. Like so tragic and dry. Like the most tragic, like squeaky, like that is how clean your hair is gonna be. Which is why I only use this once a month. To clarify, I'll switch up between this and my Paul Mitchell Awapui shampoo. If you haven't seen that review, I'll link that below as well. But I'll switch up between the two of those because this is a clarifying shampoo. I would not recommend using this weekly. Also, word to the wise, I would also recommend following up with a moisturizing shampoo after this. I like to follow up. I said I like to, like I just didn't start using this product 5 seconds ago. But as of late, I like to follow it up with the Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus. You know, the pink one. I literally just got put onto that like a month ago. So I like to follow it up with something like that, or the Joico Moisture Recovery is a really good one. Just basically any shampoo that says it's moisturizing, that's what you're going to want to follow it up with, because otherwise your hair will be so tragic and so dry. Also, you're going to want to follow up with a nice moisturizing deep conditioning treatment. Again, this is a clarifying shampoo, so it's going to strip out all that gunk, all that buildup, and also everything else. It might even cleanse your thoughts. I can't, you know, testify to that, but it's a possibility. Like, I don't know, you know, where you at in your mental health space, but I don't know. Maybe try this as a shampoo. I'm just throwing it out there. So, yeah, this is the real deal as far as a shampoo, but however, beware. But this is one that I like actually drag through my entire head. It's not one I just concentrate on the roots, drag through my hair and like finger the tangle while it's in my hair. Also, this is super tingly on your scalp. When you rinse it out and you get that lifesaver peppermint just to gum and then drink some water. I tried to like slide through that, like I didn't say chewed instead of chewed. I said chewed. I don't know. I tried to slide through it, but we're going to address it. It happened. I said it. You knew what I was talking about. But yeah, that gives you that nice, clean feeling. It feels like you can start anew, you know? Why not? So I think I pretty much touched on all the bases as far as what it does as a shampoo, what it does as a body wash. Same thing. I don't get the same like tingle all over my body, but I do get it in like my armpits. I don't know why that is. And if it gets in your ears, you'll get that little like tingly feeling. Not like in your ear, like your whole canal. I'm saying like if it just kind of gets in here, that's where I notice it. But like on my whole body, probably because I use it so often, I don't notice that tingly feeling. But again, once you wash with this, dilute. Please dilute. But once you scrub your body with this, you're gonna be so ashy feeling after you get out the shower. Like, this is not one of those where you think that you can skip lotion. Don't disrespect yourself like that. Don't disrespect your family members, loved ones, just anyone who cares about you in general. Don't put them in the position for them to have to pull you aside and be like, you're an embarrassment to this family. Why are you so gray? You know, don't do that. Put on some lotion after this. But again, this is one of those things, if you want to get all, like, I feel like the toxins that are in our environment, like, out of your body in the safest, most natural way possible, this is your vibe. Like, this is going to get you clean. Do you understand me? Even put on, you know, like lotion in the shower, because like I said, it's gonna get you clean. It's gonna take all the dirt and grime off of your body. I don't care if you're a construction worker. It's gonna take out the natural oils from your skin as well. Okay, don't say I didn't warn you. Face wash. I actually do have a video of me using this as a face wash, and I will link it below. Again, if you're not new to my channel, you know I've been using this as a face wash for years. I'm obsessed with this. I actually ran out of this for about a month. I don't know why I didn't go back and get it, and my skin has suffered significantly because of it. Why is my eyebrow so angry? Girl, get your life. I am obsessed with this as a face wash. Again, I cannot use it daily. I can use it almost daily in the summer, but in the winter, no ma'am. But this is one of those face washes, when you wash your face afterwards, your skin is gonna feel tight. It's gonna feel taut. Please make sure you are following up with a heavy moisturizer afterwards. Again, I wouldn't personally recommend you use it every day, but what's the worst that can happen? I don't know, you could age like a banana, so maybe let's not go that blase lax route. But yeah, this is just the real deal. So I was like, you know, seems like the interwebs are interested in this, so let me just go ahead and give them a quick rundown on what I know of it. Dash actually was losing hair from, I mean, pit bulls notoriously have bad skin, so I don't know, sometimes their hair just like randomly starts to fall out, not like all over, but like he'll get little like dry patches. And once I started bathing him with this, no more issues. So yeah, I feel like that's it. I mean, there is literally a million and one things I could tell you to use this with and how I use it. I pretty much gave y'all a brief synopsis of it already, but if you want like a more in depth of like, I don't know, me cleaning with Dr. Bronners, like I can do that. But I think y'all get the gist of it. Yo, think y'all are picking up what I'm putting down? Y'all hear me knocking, open the door, you know, catching what I'm throwing. Y'all get the vibe. So yeah, I think that is it. I hope that was at least helpful. I hope that you are now properly prepared to use this product and not going in blind. That way you don't set yourself up for failure and have dry hair, dry skin, a dry face, and a dry ass attitude. So we're all great in 2019. Remember that. So yeah, I think that is it. I hope this video was helpful. Let me know if there's anything you need to know that I didn't cover. Comments down below. And I'll see you guys next time. Oh, follow me on Instagram, PressedForCurls, same thing that this is. Alright, bye guys.